orange and pink glitter sparkle nails coming up. Hi and welcome. Initially, this video was supposed to have sound, but I have a loud dog and meowy cats, so this is what you get. Voiceover today. I'm using the Beetles gel kit, the the full cover soft gel tip kit. I've seen a couple other people use it, and I was super interested because I normally sculpt my nails and it takes a lot more time. So this allows me to focus more on nail art. What you're watching is the first time I've used it, and it worked pretty well. I did notice it heats up a lot more than what I'm used to. I don't have a lot of experience with different nail brands, but because these full cover tips are they have such a C curve in them, and I do not on my nails, I have to put a lot more gel on there for it to fill up that space, and I guess, it just gets really hot, so... So this is me just cutting down the shape because I realized when I bought them that the extra long tips were too long for me. I have a job and I can't have super long nails, and honestly this length in this video is pushing it. So if you watch nail content and other way bigger creators than me, there's so many different ways that people file and shape and prep and all of that fun stuff. To be honest, I didn't intend on wearing these for very long, so I didn't take the shine away from my natural nail. I just full scent and put it on without any kind of prep. And they lasted, probably 5 days before they started lifting and I had to take them off because I can't handle it. If one starts lifting, I have to take all of them off. So what I'm doing now is using a base gel to fill in the little gap between the tip and my cuticle, just to try and create a little bit more of a natural connection. Here I'm using just an old Macart base gel, and I'm mixing up the glitter. Just random glitters that I have. They all mostly are Macart glitters, but it's just whatever I have. So it was really thick and chunky. I add a little bit of a little bit more gel, and then I did actually add a little bit of pink because I wanted it to be more just really soft tinted pink in the background. Gorgeous. So pretty. I don't know. I really want my hair this color. It's a hard color to get though. This orangey pink. Oh. We're just spreading it. Glitter go everywhere. I did a couple coats of it. I'm gonna hush up for a while until something interesting happens. So on my ring finger, we're going to do a little glitter ombre from the tip to the cuticle. And that is accomplished by stacking more glitter at the tip and then kind of fanning it out as you go, like just more spread out pieces as you go up. And the reverse for the pinky. So more glitter at the cuticle and then feather it out as you go down. More layers will help fill in the bulk, like near the cuticles, so that it's more sparkly, so there's more sparkles. I wanted to do more of just like a clear nail with really sparse glitter so you can really like see the transparency and I guess some of the pink tint. So it's a lot more sparse. And this is nice because you can kind of just pick and choose the pieces of glitter you want on there. I wanted to make sure that that pink and the pink hearts were pretty well spread out. So there's a lot of variety and not a bunch of the same color in one spot. So if you see me messing around with that, that's what it is. This is what they look like after, I think, 2 coats, maybe 3 of the glitter, just to make sure that there was enough coverage. I did forget to hit record on those other layers, but also, are you really missing it? You really want to see me keep putting more glitter over glitter? No, I didn't think so. Now, because there's so many layers of glitter and it is so chunky, the surface is uneven, so I put a base gel over the top. And then what you're going to see is me filing it down to try and level out the surface a bit. So a thick layer of base gel over the top, and then just filing down the bumps in that base gel. And I wasn't completely successful, I'm not gonna lie, but I think it looks a lot better than if I hadn't. I did these nails like a week and a half ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and I forgot that I put little hearts on it. I forgot that I did other designs on it. I'm just as surprised as you are. So here are some little hearts on my pinky and my middle finger. Yep, it is that finger. So they're just hearts. I don't know how to explain how to make a heart. It's like you brush one way, and then you turn your brush, the mirror image of that, and then you make it be pointy. This might be the best ombre that I have ever done in my life. And I don't even know that I, paid special attention to it. It was a fluke. I think, honestly, the difference is that there is base gel there that helps it kind of blend a lot better. Just newbie mistakes. But it turned out really awesome. I'm super proud of that ombre. The rest of the nails, meh. Ombre, oh yeah. I did about 3 layers of this ombre. So painting it on, thinning it out at the edges, and then curing it, and then again, repeat. But it covered so well, and the blend is actually, it was almost seamless, which, again, I'm just really proud of that nail, and honestly, that's what the video is about. Just this one nail, just that nail. And now I am adding this orange chrome over the top. I was really hoping that it would be a lot more pearlescent when I bought this particular powder, but it's very, very orange. I was hoping it'd kind of have that Aurora style to it. Oh, we're just jumping straight to the stones. Alright. Alright. We don't need that other footage of how difficult it was to blend that chrome and how many times I had to redo it. No. Top coat. Just put a top coat on there. It'll fix everything. Initially, I was just going to put one stone on the thumb, but it looked so sad and alone. He needed friends. So we just put 3 on there. I really like this kind of like stone art anyway, where it's spaced out. I mean, I like stone art in general, so it doesn't really matter. But what are we doing? What am I doing? What is this? Oh, intricate. You know, I watch a lot of DIY videos and also tons of different nail content creators, and so I decided... Dog. So I didn't cover the top of the stones, and it made a huge difference. That's what I was getting at. It made a huge difference in how they reflected and shined, so I think I might actually do that from now on. But alas, we're at the end. These are the final moments. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it maybe was informative in some way or shape or form. But these nails turned out so freaking cute. If you like what you see, I would greatly appreciate it if you follow me and subscribe and like the video and just generally, you know, interact. That would make me feel so great. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic night, day, night.